Hello peoples, Radhe Radhe. Welcome back to another new sessions. Today is a 10-day challenges read English practice with Radhe talks. Okay, before start video, I going to share two lines motivations helpful to ourselves of daily lives. Never give up. It means you don't stop your trying. If you don't stop your trying, you try little bit but every day or daily basis. That's very helpful to yours, very helpful to and powerful. But little bit work, do your 100% efforts. It's very helpful to yourself. Okay, don't waste your time. Let's start today's sessions with affordables. Very helpful to. I have same books. The book name is Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Okay, I will cover the third page today. Okay, and that is very helpful too for me. And thanks for supporting. Or you, I think you are be doing properly and well. That's very helpful to of ourselves. Okay, okay. I start. Yes. Okay, ready? My mom grew distress as the weak worms. We had select a side next to her washing machines as place we would stockpiles our raw materials. In a brown cardboard box that had one time held stock bottles, our title files of used toothpaste tubs begins to grow. Finally, my mom's put her foot down, and the sight of her neighbor's messy, the crawled, used toothpaste tub had gotten to hers. Okay, what are you boy doing? She asked. What are you doing, boys? She asked, and I don't want to her against. That is a business secret. Do something with Messi. I am going to grow it out. Mike and I played at the brigade, explained that we would soon have enough. We should begin production. We informed her that we were waiting on the couple of neighbors to finish their toothpaste, so we would have their tubs. Mom's granted to 1 week extensions. My mom's 1 week granted extension. The date to begins production was moved up, and I pleasure was on. My first partnership was already began threatened with a evictions notice by my own moms. I becomes Mike's job to be tells neighbors to quickly use of the toothpaste, saying daily the dentists want to them brush and more often anyways. I began to put together the production lines. One day my dad dropped off with a friend to see two 9-year-old boy and drive away with a productions line operating at the full speed. There was a fine white powders everywhere, and on the long tops were small milky cartons from the schools, and our family habits girls was growing with the red hot called maximum the hot. That's for that today's, but I have finish of today, and I think you are be do properly your works every day. That's very helpful to yourself, but you practice daily lives one page. That's very important. Okay, that's very helpful to yourself. Thank you so much and watching these classes, and see you next times, and see you tomorrow. Okay, let's call it a day. Jagannath.